G'day guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Now I'm going to make this viral ravioli lasagna. So I've just got some pasta sauce, the beef ravioli, and I've got the perfect pizza cheese, which has got 3 cheeses in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil up the lasagna, cook them first, layer the sauce, the ravioli and the cheese in a baking dish, and we'll make it look like a lasagna. So let's get cooking. Okay, we're going to cook the ravioli. So just in a pot, boiling water, we're going to add some salt. Now we're going to add the ravioli. Now always check on the package to see the cooking times for different pastas. Now for these raviolis it says 6 to 7 minutes. Now I'll probably do these for about 5 minutes because it is going in the oven. But we're only browning the cheese when we put it in the oven because everything's going to be cooked. So we'll chuck the ravioli in, bring it back to the boil, and then we're going to cook it for 5 minutes. Okay, our ravioli is cooked, and now we're going to strain it. I'm going to let this cool down, obviously because I'm going to put it in the baking dish. I don't want to do it when it's hot. And start the layering. Okay, we're going to add some pasta sauce first. Now I'm going to spread that out. And now I'll start with the layers. Now we'll put some cheese. You get the gist of what I'm doing, just layers and layers. Then we're going to go with the sauce. Now I've got some pecorino cheese which I'm going to put after this. Another layer of sauce. And we're just going to repeat the process. So I've got the cheese, I've got more sauce, and then you get the gist of it. I'm going to finish it off as much as I can. Put a top layer of cheese in the oven, preheated oven, 200°C because we're only browning the cheese. And that's it. Okay, now it's time for the oven. There's all the cheese on top there. So it's not a bad layer. This will serve, I don't know, 4 people, maybe 5 people. Let's whack it in the oven. And there you have it, my friends. I've just taken that out of the oven. Now, a bit of a tip. When you cook a lasagna or a dish like this, let it stand for at least 15-20 minutes. Because if I cut into this now, it's going to be slop. So let it stand, let it set, and then I'm going to serve it up on a plate. There you have it, my friends. Beef ravioli lasagna. Bit of a side salad here, just some cucumber, some tomato, and a vinaigrette. Tell you what, look at that. Perfect. Anyway, give it a go. Like, comment, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. Share, and I'll see you later.